Making requests and offers. Mastering indirect if statements. Hello everyone. Welcome to our lesson today on the art of conversation in English. Today we are going to focus on making indirect requests and offers using if statements. It's an important aspect of conversational English that makes our speech more polite, respectful, and sophisticated. So, let's dive in. When we make a request or offer in English, we sometimes use indirect language to sound more polite. One of the ways we do this is by using if statements. For example, instead of saying, "Give me that book," which is a direct request, we could say, "If you're not using that book, could I have it?" The if statement makes the request sound less demanding. Similarly, when making an offer, instead of saying, "I will help you," we could say, "If you like, I can help you." The if statement makes the offer sound less presumptive and more considerate. Now that we understand how if is used in indirect requests and offers, let's move on to some listening exercises. These exercises will help you recognize and understand this structure when you hear it. Exercise 1. I will say a sentence, and you will identify whether it's an indirect request or an indirect offer. Remember, pay attention to the if statement in the sentence. Exercise 2. In this exercise, I will say a sentence without an if statement, and you will reformulate it into an indirect request or offer. This will help you become more comfortable with creating your own if statements in conversation. Now let's move on to some speaking exercises. This is where you'll get the chance to practice making your own indirect requests and offers with if statements. Exercise 3. I'll give you a scenario, and your task will be to come up with an indirect request or offer for that scenario using an if statement. Exercise 4. In this exercise, I'll provide you with direct requests or offers. Your job will be to convert them into indirect requests or offers using if statements. This will give you a hands-on experience of turning direct language into more polite, indirect language. And that's it for our lesson on making indirect requests and offers using if statements. We hope this has given you a clear understanding of how to use this structure in your daily English conversation. Keep practicing these exercises to get even more comfortable. As always, thank you for watching, and keep up the good work in your English learning journey.